Good morning. I am Corporal Danita Buddhi and I'm attached to the technology branch of the JCF. And I am currently standing at the JCF tracking system. And this is an overview of what the tracking system looks like. We have dash cam, we have a video footage of what is happening here in Montego Bay. This would show basically what is happening in Kingston, and here it shows an internal view of what is happening inside the service vehicle. Now, the tracking system enables the police officers to see what is happening, the JCF to see what is happening, and also it helps us to basically know where vehicles are located, the service vehicles are located, and if there should be any accident or any request from police emergency, we are able to locate where the service vehicle is so that we can send that vehicle, dispatch that vehicle to the location in order for them to respond to any emergency that is happening within the space. Now, there are several features of the tracking system. This tracking system enables us to capture footages that can be used for court matters to bring evidence as well. And so this is basically a synopsis as to what the JCF tracking system and monitoring system, how it works.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir, and thank you. Have a good one.